What's up, LiveLean Nation? Brad Guthrie here from LiveLeanTV.com. So today I want to answer the question that I'm asked all the time. Do eggs cause heart disease? Do they increase bad cholesterol? And do they clog your arteries? And you name it, whatever else everybody else out there. Blah, blah, blah. Here we go. So since there is so much conflicting information about health, fitness, and nutrition, I'm not surprised why so many people just give up on trying to eat healthy. And as I mentioned, eggs are one of those foods that have received a lot of conflicting information. And here are a few of the common old school misconceptions about eggs. Eggs make you fat. Eggs are bad for your health. If you eat more than 1 egg per day or more than 3 eggs per week, you'll develop bad cholesterol and fatty arteries. And eggs are just for breakfast. So I'm just gonna say this. Eggs are one of the staples in my daily nutrition plan. In fact, I typically eat 3 to 4 whole eggs every day. Eggs. Damn, I don't know if I should do this. Oh yeah. Eggs. I just cracked this one. I gotta go eat this. So the question is, where did all this madness begin? Well, back in the 1960s, there was a lot of talk about eggs playing a major role in causing heart disease. So the media jumped all over this, even though there wasn't really any conclusive evidence or proof that this is what was happening. And some people say that this theory was created by the sugar industry. So cereal sales went through the roof. So the thinking was based on the fact that eggs contain cholesterol, so it must cause heart disease. Guys, it's time to get educated on the facts. So first of all, please forget what they told you in the past. Eggs are not evil. They are in fact an extremely healthy and an important food to help us reach our health and nutrition goals. And here's why. So as I always talk about, build your plate around a high quality protein source, and eggs are an excellent option. They're inexpensive, they're quick to prepare, and they can be cooked in many different ways. So think scrambled, an omelet, sunny side up, etc. Just promise me you don't limit your thinking to only eating eggs at breakfast. Enjoy them at any meal, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. We have to get out of this mindset that certain foods only fit into certain meals throughout the day. That's ridiculous. And more importantly, eggs are a very high quality protein source. So protein quality is often measured by a term called the biological value, BV. So eggs top the list of one of the most actively available proteins in assisting cellular growth within your body. Only mother's milk is of higher quality. So remember, just because the package says that the food contains 15 grams of protein, it doesn't mean your body can effectively absorb and use all 15 grams for growth. This depends on the biological value of the protein. So over on the LiveLeanTV.com blog, I've shared a chart showing the biological value of different proteins. So go check it out. And whole eggs, yes, I'm talking about whole eggs, not just egg whites, were also included as one of the superfoods listed in my Live Lean Fitness Superfood series that I filmed back in 2012. If you want to go see old school Brad, go watch that series. And here's a few other reasons why eggs are freaking amazing. They're abundant in natural vitamin D and K, and these vitamins help fight cancer and increase lifespan. Eggs are also a high source of dietary choline. Now, choline helps the brain and nervous system development, as well as increases the structural integrity of the cell membranes. So whole eggs are also a great source of healthy fats. So some free-range organic eggs contain higher levels of omega-3 fats. Now, omega-3s are required by the body for normal function and development and can help prevent depression, memory loss, and so many other health benefits. And they're low carb. So 1 egg contains 0 carbs, about 6 grams of protein, and 5 grams of fat. So that's a mix of a balance of saturated and monounsaturated fat, and a solid mix of nutrients that you won't find in other foods. So these nutrients will help keep you satisfied and energized for hours after any meal, and will stop you from binging on all those unhealthy foods and reduce your cravings. And eggs are also a great source of antioxidants to help you feel and look younger. So guys, bottom line here, eggs are not the main cause of heart disease. There's been numerous health studies that have concluded that the consumption of eggs do not contribute to all of these things that were talked about back in the 1960s. So guys, the risk of heart disease is increased and caused by lifestyle factors like smoking, excessive alcohol, and a poor diet consisting of high amounts of sugars, processed fats and foods, artificial chemicals, preservatives, and pesticides. So guys, These lifestyle and food choices cause the inflammation in the body. They cause oxidative stress, hyperglycemia, and are the main causes of heart disease, not whole eggs. So there you have it. Stop the madness surrounding egg shaming. Let's just call it egg shaming. Eat your eggs. And guys, if you haven't joined our team at teamlivelean.com, we hook you up with daily meal plans, cooking videos, workout programs, and more. Let's do this together. And if you found this video helpful, guys, please click the like button below and comment what you'd like to see on future episodes of Live Lean TV. I'm off to go make some eggs. I'm hungry. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.